The Milwaukee 2426-21 M12 Multi-Tool is a comprehensive kit that includes a multi-tool, 12-volt red lithium battery, M12 charger, and a carrying case, offering everything you need for a wide range of jobs. The tool is versatile and perfect for various applications like flush and plunge cuts, removing grout, grinding thinnest, sanding, and scraping, making it an ideal choice for remodelers, flooring contractors, maintenance repair technicians, and electricians. The multi-tool is built with a durable all-metal gear case, ensuring its longevity and robustness even in the most demanding situations. It features a variable speed setting that ranges from 5,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute, allowing users to adjust the speed based on the task at hand. With the included universal adapter, the tool can be used with most competitors' accessories, adding to its versatility. The tool also comes with a red lithium battery that offers extended runtime and an onboard fuel gauge that displays the remaining runtime, ensuring you never run out of power in the middle of a job.